Welcome to another video. Today, we are going to explain the 7 amazing benefits of honey. Honey is one of nature's cure-all. Its numerous nutrients and compounds, as well as enzymes, have several health benefits. Some varieties can even treat various ailments. Why should I eat honey? Honey is primarily composed of fructose, glucose, and water. It also contains trace enzymes, minerals, vitamins, and amino acids including niacin, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Honey contains flavonoids and phenolic acids, and the darker the honey, the higher the level of antioxidants. Honey acts as a prebiotic and aids in the growth of friendly bifidobacteria, thus improving gut health. Below are the benefits in details. Number 1. Home remedies. Greek and Roman athletes used honey to increase strength and stamina. Honey has been used as an effective antimicrobial agent, for treating minor burns and scrapes, and for aiding the treatment of sore throats and other bacterial infections. Number 2. Cholesterol. A human study found that people with hyperlipidemia, elevated fats in the blood, who ate honey had a decrease in their triglycerides as opposed to those fed a sugar solution, which increased triglycerides. Number 3. Cancer. An article in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture reported on a group of Croatian researchers who found significantly decreased tumor growth and spreading of cancer. Honey was found to be an effective agent for inhibiting the growth of bladder cancer cell lines. Number 4. Colitis. A study found that honey conferred the greatest protection against colitis compared with other sugars. It was noted that enzymes that protect cells from being damaged were at their highest level in the honey. Number 5. Wound healing. Honey has long been revered for its antibacterial and wound healing properties. A special preparation of honey called Medi honey, known for its high antibacterial properties, was used in treating wound care in Children's Hospital in Bonn, Germany, for 3 years. Researchers observed significant reductions in even the most resistant wound infections as a result of using the honey preparation. Number 6. Helps treat anemia. Honey contains iron and vitamin C. Iron is needed by the body, particularly by the red bone marrow, in order to produce red blood cells. Number 7. Relieve allergy symptoms. It soothes cough and reduces the inflammatory responses. Selection and storage. To keep antioxidant content high, don't keep honey any longer than 6 months. Honey is best stored at room temperature, do not refrigerate. If your honey crystallizes, simply place the honey jar in warm water and stir until the crystals dissolve. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.